way. For my niggas who be thinking we soft, we don't play. We gon' ride till the wheels fall off. Hold up, wait. For my niggas who be acting too bold, take a seat. Hope you're ready for the next episode. Hey, hey,
Real, it's the next episode.